Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will learn 2 best ways to lock and hide any folder on your Windows PC or laptop for free. So let's quickly get started. First, we will look at a simple method to hide any folder without using any software. For this, go to the location where your folder is stored. It can be on desktop, documents, downloads, or anywhere on your system. For example, I have a folder inside the D drive, so I will open that location. Now, at the top address bar, click on it, type CMD, and press Enter. This will open command prompt directly in that folder location. Now here you need to type a simple command. The command will be available in the description, but I'll explain it clearly. Attrib plus H plus S plus R folder name. Now replace folder name with the actual name of your folder. For example, if your folder name is Photos, then type attrib plus H plus S plus R Photos. Then press Enter. That's it. Refresh the section. Within a second, your folder will disappear. This means your folder is now hidden and cannot be seen easily by anyone. This method is very useful if you just want to hide your folder quickly without installing any software. Now you might be wondering how to bring the folder back. It's very simple. Open command prompt again in the same location. Now type the same command, but replace the plus symbol, signs with minus symbol. So the command will be a folder name. Press Enter, and your folder will appear again. So this was the first method. Now let's move to the second method, which is more secure because it allows you to lock folders with a password. For this, open your browser and type secret fold fee download, or you can paste the link given in the description. This will take you to a website where you can download a free tool called Secret Folder. Scroll down and click on Download. Then click again on Download to start downloading the software. Once the file is downloaded, open it and click Yes. Now follow the installation steps. Click OK, then Next, accept the agreement, and click Next again. Finally, click Install. After installation, the software will open automatically. Now here you need to set a password. Enter your desired password, confirm it, and if you want, you can also add a recovery email. Then click OK. Now you will see a small dashboard with options like Add, Remove, Lock, and Unlock. To lock a folder, click on Add. Now select the folder you want to lock and click OK. Once added, the folder will instantly disappear from its location. Now if you go back to that folder location, you will see that it is no longer visible. To access it again, open the Secret Folder software and click on Unlock. The folder will reappear in its original location. The best part about this tool is that it is password protected. So no one can open or access your locked folders without entering the password. Not only folders, you can also lock applications or games using this tool. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.